Hello everyone, this is New Life with Precious. This is New Life. You're welcome to my channel. Rich men or women will chase you if you do this. Rich men or women will chase you if you do this. You're welcome to my channel. My long-term supporters, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your love. And for you new viewers, I welcome you too. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Love, like, and share this video. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more videos. Okay, on this channel we share spiritual tips, natural remedy for spiritual solutions. Okay, rich men or women will find you if you do this. If this video sounds like something very interesting to you, let's get right into the video. I want to ask you that you stick with me till the end of the video. Okay, so if you are a lady that is of marriage age and a complete wife material, and still no man is asking for your hand in marriage, then you should know that there is a problem right there. Okay, and if you are a man that is of marriage and you are a good person, you're somebody with a clean heart, and yet no woman is asking to marry you, no woman wants to be with you, or you keep moving from one relationship to the other, then you should know that there is a problem, that we really need to do something about it. Though there are some reason for this, I will just tell you two reasons. One is maybe you don't go out. You don't go out. Some ladies make money, but they are stingy to themselves. The only time they go out is when a guy wants to take them out. The only place they go is to their place of work or shop. I don't know, maybe you can relate with this, right? From there to their home. That is their daily routine, year in, year out. How can you be of marriage age and every weekend you stay inside your house, cooking, eating, sleeping, and watching film? You have to take yourself out, okay? You have to advertise yourself. The same thing with you if you're a man or if you're a guy of marriage age. You have to take yourself out. Go out and advertise yourself. You can go to a swimming pool. Swimming is as little as, it's like peanut. Even if it is expensive, you should really do that. No matter how expensive an hotel drink is, you must buy a drink. No matter how expensive an eatery food is, you must buy a plate of food. Like on a Sunday, most of you will be back, maybe from church. Like on Friday, most of you will be back from mosque. You will shower, you will dress, you will wear a light makeup and take yourself out. Go to the pool. You can go to the beach. Go to eatery. Go to mall. Go to any fun center where people always gather. Let people see you. Okay? You can't be looking for a husband and you're always indoors. Gone are the days where you will sit in your father's house and a guy will come and marry you. So nowadays, Guys want to see you, have a conversation with you. They want to date you before they will bring their parents to your house for introduction. So go off Facebook and go and chill at any phone center now. And before going out, don't forget to wear your attraction and good luck oil or perfume. Surely what I'm going to teach you in here, what you have to do to make rich men or women find you. I will teach you how to make rich men or women look for you. Okay? So, the second reason why, you know, no man has come to ask for your hand in marriage, and the reason why no woman wants to be with you. The second one is spiritual odor. Some girls are not married because they have spiritual odor. Same for the men. This spiritual odor can be in form of spiritual husband or ancestral curse. Some other times it will be that the girl herself used her hand to invite that spiritual odor to herself through something that she did, that it is like abomination. So that's why I say daily cleansing and uh, strong spiritual bath and daily cleansing and works can clean one off of this spiritual odor. Okay, if you have spiritual odor as a girl, no man will find you attractive for marriage. The same thing goes for the guys. No woman will want to stay with you, even if you are a complete wife material, even if you are a complete gentleman, you know. Same thing with men, some guys are rich, they are cute, they are hardworking, they are educated, they knows the value of a woman. But any woman that they approach will either reject them or date them for their money only. Okay? So these are the two major reasons why you will be a complete material and nobody is asking for your hand in marriage. And all the guys coming your way are just coming for sex or for your money only. The same thing for guys. No, even though you are rich, you're handsome, you're hardworking, you know the value of the woman, but no woman wants to date you. No woman wants to, marry you because you have spiritual odor. Or maybe you just lock yourself indoors every single day. So what are you going to do to break free from this problem? There is surely a solution for you. We need honey. We need time. We need cooking time, and we need honey, original, undiluted, organic honey, and we need time. So all you have to do is that you have to get a sizable quantity of thyme. Get a small plastic, a small container with a cover. Okay, add a sizable quantity of honey into it and add a sizable quantity of thyme into it. Okay, and you have to mix it well together using your middle finger. Use your middle finger for that, your right hand and your middle finger. So mix it well together, honey and thyme. Mix it together. Then you have to say a serious prayer into it. You pray with all your heart desires. Say your heart desires into that. Pray to God everything you want. You want a rich man, you want a rich woman, whatever you want, pray into it. And after praying, cover it up and leave it for 7 days. Leaving it for 7 days is just to make the ingredients very spiritual and very supercharged with the power of God. So after that, the 7 days, you have to bring it out and you have to take your bath. Remember, this spiritual work is a continual spiritual work. You have to continue doing it until you see changes, until it starts to work for you. So when it has worked to your satisfaction, then you have to discontinue it. Okay? So all you have to do is just take some of that mixture whenever you want to have your bath. You put it in your bath water and you are going to take your bath with it. Before you take your bath, take some, put it in you have to lick it, okay? Then you have to put some in your bath water. Then you have to take your bath with it. So you do this every single day. You do it until, you know, until you see changes, until you attract the person you want to attract, until you get that rich husband or that rich man or that rich woman that you want. Okay? So do it. There's been a lot of testimonies. People have been testifying to this a lot, and you will not be an exception. So go ahead and give this a try, and I promise you, you're coming back to testify to this. Okay? Rich men and women will find you if you do this. Rich men or women will find you if you do this. So there you have it. This is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. I've come to the end of the video. If you love this video already, give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share this video. Let this video be recommended by YouTube, okay? And if you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section. I'm coming back with yet another beautiful spiritual video. Until then, I leave you in the hands of God. I send you peace, love, and light. Hope you take all of them. Bye-bye.